Hey, Dovaman sent me this portable bandsaw for free, so I'm gonna check it out and give you my thoughts. So what I really like about this bandsaw is it comes with a nice stand here. You can use this just like a table saw. You have a nice vise here where you can put your material, lock it in, and make a nice clean cut. Setup was very easy. This comes with 2 blades. I already installed the one here. Basically, you take these guards off, you loosen the tension on the blade, and then you work your blade around the wheels inside the saw. This comes with a couple Allen wrenches right in the handle that you're going to use for setup and adjusting your device. To remove this from the stand, you just take out these 3 screws and then you can carry this and it's more portable. If you want to do angle cuts, you would just adjust the arm here. You have your degree measurements right here, and then you adjust to your desired angle, lock it down, and you can get a nice angled cut. This has a 10 amp copper motor, so it makes great cuts through metal, plastic, and wood. And then you have 6 different speed settings right here. Here's your adjustment right up by the handle. All of this weighs about 34 pounds, so it's not too heavy and it makes it easy to move. So we're gonna take this to the garage and do some cuts. We got the saw set up and plugged in my garage. You can see there's a nice LED light here. There's a light switch up top to turn that on and off, so we'll leave that on to kind of be more precise with our cuts. So the first thing we're gonna cut is this threaded rod. Now, you can see right here, I cut this with a different saw and the edges burred there. So with this bandsaw, you're not gonna get those burred edges. Let's see if it actually works. Comes with a nice little vise here. Line it up. You're gonna lock down the orange handle here. This is nice and secure. That way you can keep your hands free and safe from getting cut. There's a little pin adjustment here. So what that does, that blocks this from going down. You just pull your pin out. Now I can make that cut. We'll kind of go through the speed settings. So we got it to 1 right here. There's a safety right here. You're gonna press in, push down your trigger. So that was a pretty slow speed that didn't cut very fast. We're gonna turn it up to the fastest setting. So you can see you have quite a range of speed on this. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this metal. I'm gonna turn this to a slower setting. We're gonna go with 2 because this is steel. It's gonna cut slower and help it from overheating. Loosen our vise, and this really did give a nice clean cut, but you can see the difference. This was with another saw, it burred up at the top. This was definitely a lot smoother. That way I can thread a nut right on this. Now we're gonna cut some PVC, see how that works. Sometimes it's a pain to get a nice clean cut in PVC. We'll turn it up a little bit faster here. Once again, this gave a nice smooth finish. We'll try some wood now. There's that cut, nice and clean. Now we'll test the angle cutting of this. So we loosen up this handle right here. We'll line it right up on the 45. Check out that beveled corner there. This gave a nice smooth cut. All right, now we're gonna take this off the stand. You're just gonna take your 3 screws out here with the Allen wrench. Now I can use this almost anywhere. You are gonna need an outlet, so I'll probably need an extension cord, but if you have a big pipe or something that you need to cut, you'll just line right up. What I also like about this, it's a little bit more quiet than a table saw or a miter saw. I really do like this bandsaw. I think it gives a really nice, clean, smooth cut on wood, PVC, and metal.